Okay. Hi, guys. So today I'll be talking about how to use cloud-based technology to build a robust data architecture. So businesses today are drowning in data, but we have a problem, and that problem is reports arrive too late. By the time leaders see the numbers, the opportunity is gone. That is why we are talking about this topic today. And the cloud-based data architecture is very, very critical. So let's look at the challenge. Traditional systems can't keep up. Data is everywhere. CRM, ERP, Internet of Things, social media, API, your databases, everywhere. Reports take hours or even days to prepare. So industries like finance, retail, or healthcare, delayed insights means loss of money. So missed fraud alerts or poor customer experiences. So what is the solution? For us as data engineer, we like to work with the cloud. So the first thing we do is to make sure that we ingest data in real time. So we move data as it happens. You can use tools like Kafka and AWS Kinesis, and you store it efficiently. You can store it in a data link like Amazon S3, transform it on the fly. So as you're moving it, you're transforming it. You can use tools like Spark and AWS Glue and also make it ready in your data warehouse. And you can use tools like Redshift and BigQuery. And that is where the data analysts will now connect to make their visualization and analysis. So this entire pipeline runs and scale as your data grows, right? So what is this impact? What does it do? So the impact is that the fraud alert triggers the second they happen. So retailers track inventory in real time and healthcare providers access patient data instantly. You don't have to wait. It is not just faster, it is also smarter. It is the smart decision to make. Okay, so for closing up, if your organization is still waiting on static reports, it's time to have a rethink. A cloud-based data architecture isn't just a tech upgrade, it is the foundation for real-time analytics and business decision making. Thank you for watching.